Good day, everyone. I am Crystal May Alganson, a grade 12 student from St. Peter of Verona Academy. Today, we're going to talk about electromagnetic radiation. Without further ado, let's get started. Everything in our universe is affected by electromagnetic radiation, which is found in everything from the sun's warmth to the signals that run our laptops and cell phones. But did you realize that even though it has so many advantages, there could be health dangers involved as well? To appropriately harness the power of electromagnetic radiation, it is essential to comprehend the many forms of the radiation and how it interacts with our surroundings. There are many different wavelengths in the electromagnetic spectrum, each with special qualities and uses. For instance, radio waves are utilized in communication, whereas night vision equipment uses infrared light. We can see our surroundings through visible light. Gamma and X-rays are employed in cancer treatment and medical imaging. There is no denying that electromagnetic radiation has advantages. It is employed in scientific study and has transformed communication as well as medical diagnosis. However, there are other dangers involved. High levels of X-rays and gamma rays can be hazardous to our health, and excessive sun exposure can lead to skin cancer. To reduce the hazard brought on by electromagnetic radiation, we must adopt a balanced strategy. To reduce UV exposure, sun protection methods like wearing sunscreen and avoiding the sun during peak hours are crucial. Strict precautions are followed by medical practitioners to reduce radiation exposure during treatments. Additionally, research is being conducted by the scientific community to gain a better understanding of the possible hazards associated with low-level radiation sources. Electromagnetic radiation is a tremendous force that has a great deal of influence over our environment. We can minimize potential harm while continuing to harness its power for a brighter future by being aware of its qualities and putting in place the necessary protections. It is our collective responsibility to recognize this force's potency and use it wisely.